This is a sponsor product. I got it for review. This is Dreame Z1 Pro robotic pool cleaner. It has bunch of cool features. One of them is this section here. You point the remote control it comes with, and you tell the robot where to go, park it, stop and start cleaning, which works absolutely amazing. I have tested, I've been using for a while, and I am blown away the way this robot is operating, especially the self-parking feature. I absolutely love it. So over here you can see you have a bunch of options. Once you power your unit, you will be able to select different operation mode. You can see it will light up like this, and initially you need to download the application. Once you connect the application, please upgrade if there is any firmware available. Upgrade it for optimal uh, cleaning and performance. As you can see here, these are the selection. This is full cycle. This gives you like a wall and a floor. This is floor only, this is wall, and this is the water line, and the selection in between is very easy. You can see, you just press this and you can see the light is going through, and you will be able to select whatever the option you choose. So over here, let's leave it as full cycle and we will see. And here you have the basket where you can easily remove it just like this. As you can see, it is really large. It takes 4.5 liters. You can see really large basket, and you can see the mesh filter. It is very tinily made. You can, like the holes are very tiny, and you can see lots of small debris inside. It is able to capture. That works really well, and emptying is very easy. You can see it has very large opening on the top, and once you clean it out, you can just easily place in its place, and you will just close, and you are basically ready for action. And over here you see it has really nice and large brushing. Here you can see you have brushing rolls, and you get four of them, two on the front, two on the back side, and they do really good job. And you have here really large trucks just like this. You can see this allow it to go on the wall even if it's on the deeper end of the pool. If there is curve, no problem for this. So you can see it is really large machine. It weighs about 27 pounds. So uh, I'm just gonna go ahead and place it in the water and show you guys how it works. So let's go ahead and do that. As you guys can see, it works really nice under the water. You can see it has very nice steady speed, and it just takes anything it comes its way. Very smooth operation. As you can see, it's just smoothly gliding and just running, and you can see the back of it. Those tracks are moving really nicely. It has really good grip, and those brushes on the front and on the back, it just continuously brushing the floor. As you can see, and you see it just went over the filter cover. As I mentioned, they are really raised, so didn't have any trouble. It just went all the way up, and you see how nicely it's climbing. So that is how it's work. It's very effective, and I already see the pool is in much better condition right now. As you can see, you can look around. It already passed from those areas and covered everything. There are some pieces I see around the cover, but it will still go and take care of. As you can see right now, it is going over the cover just like that. You see, even there is a steep, it's just climbing up. You see there was huge piece over there. It just took it inside without any difficulties, and you can see it's just going up just I am gonna go ahead and show you guys how the remote control works. So I'm gonna press the turn on button on the remote. Right now the remote is on. I am going to point the light on the robot just like this. You can see I just pressed the park button. Actually right now I'm gonna stop it. You see it's just showing purple. So once you see it is in this condition, you can uh, drive it. So let's say I wanna I want it to go forward. I am pressing the button just like this. You see I am pressing the button. You see there was there's some debris it just took. So I said, okay, come back here. You see I am telling it to come back. That's how it works. And I see there is another leaf. Okay, it just came to front just like that. You see right there. I want it to go over, and there you go. You see the light, I'm just pointing. The light has to go on top of the window over there so that you can just control it. You see I'm just doing back and forward, and it is from distance. I don't know if you can really see the light, but I'm just pointing. So let's say turn around. You see I'm just turning around. I'm gonna make 360. I keep pressing and it will continue turning around. This is the, for my side, it is left button. I'm pressing the left button right now, just like that. And I say, okay, that's enough, go forward. You see, it's just going forward. And I say, hey, 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 come back, come back. And you see, it can just come back. This is very responsive. This is the remote control. You press this button and it will just come out. You will see, like I will do it again. It will activate the self parking. So it will, you will see it will push itself to the wall. It was looking for wall. So right now you will see it's pushing itself all the way on the wall, and you will see it is going to stick out, and it's going to stay there for a while until you have the chance to grab it. So I'm gonna show you guys how it works. So let's see in action. It's still coming. So like this is how it stays. You can see it stays around. So let me go around here so you can easily see. It will just park itself, and for me to go over there and grab it. That is really cool feature. If you don't pick it up within 5 minutes, the machine will automatically return to the water and wait. Pressing the recall button on the remote again will trigger auto parking once more. This is how it's working on the water line. You see how nicely it's shifting towards left, and it's just covering everything. This is how it's going over the, you see how nicely it's just going, and it's just shifting really nicely, very smooth moving. And then look at that, and then it's going back. As you guys can see right now, it completed the session, and it just came this, and I'm about to pull it out. So normally I would just hang around, let the water drain, because this is about 27 pound. So with the water inside it weighs more. So this is, I usually keep it in this way, let everything out as much as possible, and then I can lift it easily. So you can see I don't even really need to pull. Once it's on the floor, you can easily have access to it. So let's check the basket. So this is what it did. So you can see the condition right now. Before we started, you saw how much stuff was there, and over here as well you can see there is nothing left on the bottom, and this is the end result. That's what you see in the filter. So you can see how much stuff it was able to collect, and you can see how tiny small they are, most of them. And I can see even sand particles. You can see there are lots of sand inside, and you see the lever, it just close and doesn't let anything come out. That is really cool. You see from this side lots of stuff gets stuck inside, it doesn't come out. As you see, this is really premium quality pool robot. I really like the way it works, especially the remote control. I show you guys how well it did. It is incredibly responsive. Once you get used to, there are a little bit learning curve with the remote, but once you get used to it, it just does really cool stuff. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.